Woman feeding baby. Hey y'all, welcome back to Baby Feeding USA. If you're here, chances are you're either expecting a preemie or already have one in your arms, and first of all, congrats on your tiny miracle. 2 hearts. Today we're diving into a super important topic, tips for feeding a premature baby. It can feel overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we've got your back. Scene 1: Understanding preemie feeding needs. Video cam cut to mom holding a tiny baby or hospital setting. Woman feeding baby. So here's the thing, premature babies, or preemies, are born before 37 weeks. And because they come early, their little bodies might not be fully ready to eat like full-term babies. Some may not be able to suck, swallow, and breathe all at once yet. That's totally normal, and doctors, nurses, and feeding specialists are there to help guide you. Scene 2: Starting with tube feeding. Video cam B-roll of NICU care with gentle narration. Speaking head. In the NICU, most preemies start with something called tube feeding. That means breast milk or formula goes right into their tummy through a thin tube in their nose or mouth. This gives your baby the nutrition they need while they grow stronger and learn how to suck and swallow. Scene 3: The power of breast milk. Video cam mom pumping milk, storing in bottle. Speaking head. Breast milk is like liquid gold for preemies. It's easier to digest and full of antibodies that help protect them from infections. Even if your baby can't breastfeed right away, you can start pumping within the first few hours after birth to build up your supply. Talk to your NICU team about storing and using your milk. They're amazing with this stuff. Scene 4: Transitioning to bottle or breast. Video cam baby being bottle fed. Skin to skin contact. Woman feeding baby. Once your little one is ready, you'll start practicing with bottles or direct breastfeeding. This might take time, and that's okay. Feeding a preemie is all about going at their pace, not the clock. Watch for cues like rooting, sucking on hands, or waking up and being alert. Scene 5: Positioning matters. Video cam close-up of feeding position. Speaking head. Because preemies are so small and sometimes have reflux, positioning really helps. Try feeding your baby in a semi-upright position and keep them upright for about 20 to 30 minutes after feeding. Memo tip: burp your baby gently and often. Preemies can swallow air more easily. Scene 6: How much and how often. Video cam overlay with graphics showing small frequent feedings. Woman feeding baby. Preemies usually eat small amounts, like 1 to 2 ounces, every 2 to 3 hours. As they grow and gain strength, they'll eat more and sleep longer stretches. It's not always consistent at first, so track feedings with a notebook or an app if that helps you. Scene 7: Watching for warning signs. Video cam parent calmly watching baby feed. Speaking head. Keep an eye out for signs your baby's having a hard time feeding. Like if they're coughing, turning blue around the lips, or seem super tired after just a few minutes. If anything feels off, don't hesitate, call your pediatrician or NICU nurse. That's what they're there for. Scene 8: Emotional support and patience. Video cam parents doing skin to skin. Cuddling baby. Woman feeding baby. Feeding a preemie isn't just physical, it's emotional too. It takes patience, love, and lots of deep breaths. You might feel nervous or frustrated sometimes, and that's totally valid. But trust your instincts. You know your baby better than anyone. Outro. Call to action. Movie camera back on host or a comforting background. Woman feeding baby. Alright, parents, hang in there. You're doing an amazing job, even on the hard days. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Baby Feeding USA, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss more tips just like this. And hey, if you've got any questions or your own preemie story, drop it in the comments. Let's support each other down there. Speech balloon. Until next time, take care of your baby and yourself. Yellow heart. Musical note. Outro music fades in with Baby Feeding USA.